Hi, this is my dog. Dougal. 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 That's Dougal. He's not on drugs. He's my little cutie pie. Dougal. I'm sorry, I really don't know what he's doing. Just leaving. What are you doing? Hi. Rah. Trying to see him attack something. Dougal. Right, what's this? Hold on. Dougal, get your ass up. I'm actually I think he got bored. My dog's gonna attack it. Bah. 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 Hold on. No. Right, don't kill Mr. Penguin. Right, I'm gonna take it away now. No. I want it back. No. It's electrical. No, please no. No, right, I'm gonna put that one down. What about, I need to find it. Right, this one. This one. Right, Dougal. What's this one? Bang! Let's take it up here. No. That's enough. Right, you just play with your teddy and muzzle it up to a wall. Right, I can take it back without it hurting me. No, I'm scared. Right, I'm going to take your teddy back. No. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. I said say bye. It's fighting everywhere on the floor. What a crazy dog. Whoa! Just take it out my family's phone. You said you goodbye. Right. No, calm down. No. He is really scary, you know. What, Dougal? What a pain in the bum you are. Like literally. Boom. Wow. Bam. Bam. What's this? What is it? Oi, what is it? Click. Dougal, what's this? What's this thing? What's this? Oi. What's this? What is it? What is it? Come on. Thinking left. Right, dun, 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 dun. Oh. You're falling to a deep sleep. Right, we'll stop going for all. Right, I give up with you, dog. Right, come here. Come here. Get your bum here. Don't want to get you inside. See, this is my little gremlin. This is my little gremlin. So none of you are gonna no. Monster right, what the hell are you doing, you little vain monster? Put your bum right up to them. Come here! Come here! Come here! Right, come here and then you can go. If you come here, then you can go out the door. Come here! Come here! Do you not want to go outside then? Come here then! Do you want a biscuit? Do you want a biscuit? Come here, I've got a biscuit. What's this? What's this? I got a biscuit. Come here then. Come and see what I got in my hand. Come and see what I got in my hand. Come on. Oh, you pain. Sis, come here then. Goodbye. No, Dougal, don't sit on the camera. No, you sat on the camera. Right, I'm sorry about this. My dog sat on the camera. Dougal! Right, thank you for removing your buttocks. Right, now what's happened? Oh. Come here! Come here! I'm no bully, you know. Come here. No, because you've got a bit of stuff on your nose. Come here! Come here! Come here! Oh, see, when I'm nice, he just like waddles up and puts his gum against the camera again. Come here! Come on. Right, turn around. Turn around. Goodbye. That's it. There. Right, now you're gonna say goodbye. Right. Bye. Love you. We'll give him a kiss. He actually licked the camera. Ugh. Sorry if this video's got splash marks on it now. Right. Whoa. See, he loves you that much. He's so eager to get away. Bye.